This is how you can safely lift a pole if you don't have a pole grabber on a skid steer. You can put it between the teeth or on the smooth face of the bucket, but we prefer teeth to kind of hold it in place. It's a whole lot better to maneuver around. That board at the back of the hole that he's holding on to is purely so we don't blow out the hole, and so that pole will slide down very easily.